Good morning. It's 6:42 a.m. Today is February 17, Saturday, and today we are going to the Philippine Military Academy. Look at us getting all fancy and dressed up. Fancy. Look at it. Look at it. Look at my mom. Look at my mom. Bawal ang backpack sa grandstand?
Naiwan na lang po kami sa kotse.
Kung mga may sasakyan ka, sir, pakaiwan na lang.
Ata. Excuse me. I am now at the Philippine Military Academy. I left my backpack. Backpacks weren't allowed. So, my Osmo Mobile, my DJI Osmo Mobile is there. I cannot use it. Oh, where are they? I lost them. Breakfast at the Lopez Hall of Leaders. Tito, kami na po. Dali mo. Dali.
Sige, formal kayo nila.
Dali kayo, formal.
Ito po, 1, 2, 3. Tama po. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, thank you. We are now inside the grandstand. There are already many people. It's not yet cold.
Not yet.
We're waiting for
Tonight.
We're waiting for the weather to be cold. It's not yet cold.
Ay, tapos ako sa sabi din sa ano.
Where the play party now?
Gaw umarap dyan.
Excuse me, babies. Look at my wife. Look at my wife. So beautiful. Can you see?
Okay.
a curriculum of military discipline with emphasis placed on qualities of courage, integrity, and loyalty. And because of these thrusts, she was able to produce valor awardees who served as true affirmation that indeed the Filipino is worth living and dying for.
These are the Sinagtala class of 1986. Let's look for Dan. Dad escaped. He escaped from the group.
No, we didn't escape from the group. It happened that there's no place there. That's why
It's crowded.
it's very crowded, and the staff is the crew, the TV there, photographers, and everybody.
So many people.
So we come up here and
We'll go to lunch.
wait for lunch.
And release some. On your parade.
They are now singing their alma mater song. We are now back to the Lopez Hall for lunch. So hot. So hot. Hot, hot, hot. These are all the family of Sinagtala class 1986. All the seats under the shade are taken. All that's left are under the sun. This is the plan. We will drop off our things here, get some food, eat, and then run. We are sitting at the reserve table with the princess. We will eat and run. Celebrate my father's alumni homecoming 2018.